deep in the wilds of Sai Kung, where the Maklahose Trail twists through ancient hills and forgotten valleys, something waits, something that doesn't let you leave. Locals call it the Sai Kung Barrier, an invisible wall, a glitch in reality. And on this day, one man, a Hong Kong police officer who knew these trails better than anyone, stepped across it. His name was Ting Liwa, and his final cry for help still echoes in the dark. He was 45, off-duty, single, a photographer at heart, always chasing the perfect shot in Hong Kong's wildest country park. 7,477 hectares of rugged terrain, steep ridges, thick undergrowth, places where even experienced hikers vanish for hours or forever. September 11, 2005, at around noon, Ting stops at a tiny grocery in Tai Long, Saiwan, borrows the shopkeeper's phone, seems calm, normal. He makes a call, then walks on. 90 minutes later, the 999 emergency line rings at the police call center.
唔該，我行山㗎，而家喺西貢586啊。
咩事啊？
我行山蕩失路啊。
你蕩失路啊？咁你喺邊度啊？
而家個位置喺487040。
4870，然後係咩啊
？48720啊。
48720啊？係咪啲標距柱啊？
係咩柱啊？
嗱，你慢慢講，48720係咪啊？喺邊個地方嚟㗎？
你等陣先啊。
The emergency worker tries several times to get a clear location marker number from the caller, but he gradually becomes more confused and frustrated.
喂，先生，
我之前唔住啦。
嗱，你停先。嗱，咁我而家問你，你係咪扭傷咗隻腳先？你嗰度有幾多人啊？
得我一個咋。
你有冇扭親隻腳啊？係咪要叫救護車啊？
要啊。
你係咪要叫救護車啊，先生？
要啊。
我問你先，你等一等。
救護車指揮救護中心。好，先生，你係邊度開始上山㗎？
救命啊！救命啊！
7 minutes. That's all it lasted. His voice, according to the officers who heard it, sounded like a man on the edge of collapse. Heat stroke, dehydration, or something pulling him under. He couldn't give coordinates, couldn't say his name, just help, help, help. Then, nothing. Within hours, Hong Kong police mobilized everything. Helicopters thundering overhead, marine launches on the coast, over 350 rescuers, tracker dogs, volunteers. They focused on Tai Tan, where they believed the call came from. About 5 kilometers from where he was last seen, days turned to weeks. They tested phone signals in the exact spots, scoured every trail, every ravine. Nothing. No body. No backpack, no camera, no trace at all. Ting Liwa, gone, officially missing, presumed lost to the wilderness.